welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm so excited. So in today's video, I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just going to get into business because well, actually I'm just going to get into business. I don't want to talk much. You already know what I'm about to do. You can see the title of this video, so you already know. So I'm just gonna get in there and give you guys tips on how you can dress expensive. Yeah, basically. Well, I don't know, it might be helpful to people and it might not be helpful to others as well. Like, anyhow, let's just see how it goes. And I just hope you really like what I put together for you guys. Alright, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm wearing a turtleneck long sleeve, and I'm wearing a mini skirt and a blazer. You can also rock it with heels. So guys, I am wearing a jean trouser and a jean jacket. I'm carrying this cute small bag right here, and I'm wearing a red shoe. So guys, what I'm wearing is a white bodycon and this same blazer and the pantsuits. And I'm carrying a white bag and white heels. So guys, what I'm wearing, you can see what I'm wearing. And I'm carrying this cute so I'm wearing a black hoodie and a brown bag and jean trousers, and I'm wearing glass heels. My love for joggers is unexplainable. Really love this look because it's actually nice. It's not that serious. It's just there, kind of casual. And you can actually put it up. So you can see I'm rocking this. I got this joggers from Anything Blog on Instagram. I'm going to put the Instagram handle right down below. So I want you guys to go get yours right now because this is bomb. You can see I'm rocking this with heels. You can use heels, you can use sneakers, but I would prefer to use heels because it makes it look so cool and expensive. I'm trying to give you that cheap look. And I'm carrying my small white bag. Guys, you should really get a white handbag because it helps a lot. Like, you really need to get one. If you don't have a white handbag, you should get one right away because you need it. So basically, this is like my favorite handbag because like it's white and I can take it anywhere, go with anything. So I'm wearing a white pocket shirt and trousers, and I'm carrying a brown bag, and it's happening up with white heels. You can see what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a crop top and joggers and carrying this cute white bag. And I'm wearing joggers and hoodie and a jacket, whatever. And I'm topping it up with sneakers. You can see. You can see I'm carrying this bag. You can actually put on like those bags, like you get what I'm trying to say, but like I don't have those bags, so I don't do those bags. This kind of bags I do mini small bags. You can see that I'm wearing a bodycon and I'm wearing my Dio jacket. You can rock this with or without the jacket. You can see. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed the video and everything I was in on. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked my combination, how to style yourself to make yourself look expensive and more like attractive. So I'm just saying, anyways, I'm really tired because I've been putting together clothes and all. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to follow my Instagram _Azaibi and my Snapchat Princess Azaibi. So yeah, and make sure you click the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. I really don't know what to say. So bye. See you guys in the next video. Heads up.